The Global Power City Index developed by Mori Memorial Foundation in Japan serves as a comprehensive framework for assessing the global competitiveness of major cities. First launched in 2008, the GPCI aims to evaluate, compare, and cities based on their capacity to attract people, business, and visitors as urbanization continues to accelerate understanding. What makes a city influential and appealing is crucial for policymakers, business, and residents alike. Dimension of the GPCI. The GPCI evaluates cities across six key dimensions. This dimension measures the economic performance of cities including GDP, employment rates, and economic diversification. A strong economy is essential for cities' growth and ability to attract talent and investment. Innovation is a driving force for urban competitiveness. This category assesses the quality of research institutions, the volume of patient investments, and research development, highlighting how cities foster technological advancement. This dimension reflects the richness of city cultural essence, including its art, cuisine, entertainment option, cultural vibrancy, not only enhance city liability but also attract tourists and international residents. Liability quality of life is paramount for urban residents. This dimension consider factors such as healthcare, education, safety, and housing, aiming to understand how conducive a city is to high standard of living. Sustainable urban development is increasingly important. This dimension evaluates a city efforts and environmental conservation, green spaces, and sustainability initiatives, recognizing needs for city to balance growth with ecological responsibility, accessibility, the ease of movement within a city, its connectivity to other regions, and economic activity, transportation infrastructure, public transit option, and overall accessibility impacting both resident and visitor. Insight and rankings. The GPCI provides invaluable lens through which to analyze urban development trends. Cities alike Tokyo, New York, London, and Paris frequently dominate the rankings due to their economies, cultural offering, and high standard of living. For instance, Tokyo often score highly economic highly economy and research and development, showcasing its status as a global financially hub and a leader in innovation. Emerging cities are increasing, making the marked cities in Asia, such as Singapore and Seoul, have gained recognition for strategic investment, technology, and structure, reflecting the dynamic shift in global power balance.